Hey my GBs, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a mukbang. I have some fried chicken here. I have a sandwich. I'm not going to eat these probably, they're on the side. My paper towels just fell. I have some gravy and cheese sauce. And I have some Takis that I already started eating, so pour these in here. Do y'all want to see my gold? Oh. Those are. And I have an ice water over here. I mean, I got some ice in my brisk. I don't want to drink my whole brisk on my Takis because I know those are hot. Let's get started. Can y'all see that? My tripod is really cheap, so sorry about that. I don't know why I did that. I'm so scared. I've never had chicken with cheese sauce, but I see Nick Ocado do it all the time. So, and I love gravy. Like, I think I'm gonna go heat this up. I'll be right back. I'm just kidding, this is an ASMR. But I got my gravy, my cheese sauce. Excited about that. Never had that before. My Takis. I think I'm just gonna, oh, it's crunchy. With a drumstick. I'm just gonna eat it without the sauce first. That's so good. That's really good. It's different. So good. Excuse me. That was so good. I need more. That was banging. I'm definitely gonna have a different view now on fried chicken. That was really good. Okay, guys. So, if y'all want to see, here we go. That's what the feast is looking like. Whoa, we're having some technical difficulties. There we go. This stuff sucks. Back to the feast. Whoa. I'm gonna try to do like a screenshot. Maybe with the Takis. The gravy. Oh, I know how to do it. I don't care. Let's put this in the gravy. I heated the gravy up. It's really good. So, guys, I know I don't post as much. Maybe because I'm not motivated. Just, I can't. I'm really unmotivated. Because ain't nobody watching me. Nobody's watching me. But I have fun doing these videos. But it's whatever. I'm probably gonna find my motivation. Sorry, guys. I'm a little messy. And I'm coming back with a new intro. I think the one I've been doing, it's kind of, nah, I'm not feeling it no more. So, comment down below what kind of intro I should do. This is a wing. Dip it in cheese. I'm gonna take with the Takis. This is gonna be the screenshot. That's really good. Alright, guys. So, let's dig into the sandwich. I'm really excited for a lot of things. Should I eat the sandwich or should I save it for a different mukbang? I'm gonna do that. But guys, what do I say? Hey guys, welcome back. Oh, I have something to say. So the thing is with my new intro, and new outro, it's gonna be, what my channel is gonna be more about. I thought it was gonna be about ASMR. Probably gonna do mukbangs more. I realized that what I've been doing, I'm not really enjoying it that much. But yeah. I've been thinking. I really love doing mukbangs, and there was this one mukbang, I just couldn't get it out. I just couldn't. It wouldn't work. I really loved it. It was amazing. But that's what happens. I can guarantee to you guys, this mukbang is gonna be out. I'm not holding back. This one is getting out. I don't really care what people say. I'm enjoying this. So, I'm probably going to have to delete something because we're about to run out of time. What I get into. I know I'm not going to eat a whole bowl of Takis. I'm just going to pour it back in the bag. Eat the whole bag of Takis. I would never do that. I don't know what that was. So I have to make a part 2. Not a part 2, but I have to delete something. I'll make a part 2. Not part 2, but you know what I mean. I'm just playing. Yeah, guys. I deleted a couple things. I just wanted to let you guys know that I really want y'all to tell me what you want to see from me. Because so far, I might be doing mukbangs or, you know. Yeah. If you want me to do a challenges, I don't know. Pranks. Yeah. I'll do anything. Except for a pregnancy prank. I would never. I would do it on my brother or something. You wouldn't believe me? Okay. Which piece should we do next? This one? It feels really crunchy. That's crunchy. Oh, but this one's greasy. Yeah, this one's really greasy. I think I'm gonna do this one. Yeah, it's kind of crunchy too. That's the top chicken I know. And I baked these. I was gonna air fry them, but my grandma was like, I don't know how to work that thing. I'm like, I'll just bake them. I want to ask you guys, do you want me to quit YouTube? I have something to talk about. How about we talk about Danielle Cohn, whatever. I really don't have any problems with her. I mean, I kind of like her. She's interesting. She makes really good content. I forgot my password. But thing is, with Danny, everybody hates on her. But the moment she makes a sad video, it's like, oh, are you okay? And just like, so terrible. With that little girl pose. And if you take a second to look at her, yeah, she kind of looks like a baby, but people look like a baby. Some people just have that young feature to them. I believe that she's 15. I'm just saying. If you would look at her body. I'm just kidding. But seriously, if you would look at her, you wouldn't think she's 13. Her face may look like she's young, but yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun. Yeah. I'm probably just going to put this food back in the fridge. Bye.